Y'all, remember how Safaree exposed Mena for being aggressive or racist and thrashing his house all because she got mad that he's trying to move on? Well, now he got more to say about how he cannot even stand her.
I don't even know where to start. I'm dealing with someone whose anger management is just non-existent.
So, y'all remember Eric and Safaree from Love and Hip Hop? Well, they got married, had 2 kids, got divorced, and now Safaree's out here talking about how he cannot stand his ex-wife and the mother of his children. So it basically kicked off when Erica popped into the comment section of the Shade Room and said, "Before I walk into 2025, I promise y'all will know the whole truth and it won't be edited, fabricated, or fake stories either." So now that was her promising to bring all the tea, and to be honest, we're all here for it. Well, all of us except Safaree. Now Safaree, he ain't impressed with Erica and he's out here trying to expose her real self. Ever since their divorce, Safaree and Erica have not been getting along. They've been coming for each other more times than anyone can count at this point. At one point, Erica accused Safaree of being a deadbeat dad and not caring about spending time with his children just to punish her.
How can you care about anybody else's children when you don't even care about your own? You miss out on birthdays by choice. You miss out on Christmas by choice.
And that wasn't all she had to say. Erica never missed an opportunity to drag Safaree and expose how she claimed he really was. It got so bad that she even said she regretted getting married to Safaree.
But at the same time, I've also swept so much under the rug. And I think that's why I got taken advantage of. Because for the first time, I thought I was safe.
But it wasn't just Erica that had something to say about their marriage. Safaree came out and explained why he didn't see his kids as much, saying that having to go through Erica to get to his kids always made it difficult for him. He revealed that Erica was violent and had anger management problems, explaining that it made it hard for him to see his kids. Listen, he wasn't just talking, he also shared clips of Erica thrashing his house and putting hands on him.
Whose anger management is just non-existent.
Ooh-wee. He revealed that even Erica's first son hated her and once told him that if he ever had to live with his mom, he would unalive himself. Safaree said that he didn't think much of it at the time, but later on, it started to make sense.
He's 16 years old, and he says, if I ever had to live with my mother, I would kill myself.
He revealed that he was scared to be around her for the kids' sake, saying that while he always tries to remain calm around the kids, Erica always picks a fight and either starts yelling or starts putting hands on him, and that's not the impression of marriage he wants to give the kids.
Especially in front of the kids, like, I'm not gonna subject myself to that. My kids have never ever seen me upset.
And that wasn't all he did. He also revealed that he considered getting a restraining order after Erica broke into his house at 5 a.m. in the morning. He posted a video of Erica literally moving a ladder so she could break into his house at 5 a.m. in the morning, guys.
The restraining order, because, you know, she's doing stuff like showing up in my crib, 5 o'clock in the morning, pulling out a ladder, hopping the fence.
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God!
When I tell you Safaree was not playing with Erica, he even went as far as revealing that Erica sent his to his mom and sister just to prove to him that he was still messing around with her.
This woman texts a picture of me to my mother and my sister because she wanted to let them know that, oh, you and your son, I'm pretty sure your son's not telling you what's really going on between us and all of it.
Yikes. Now, when Safaree dropped all that tea about Erica, he applied for the judge to reduce his child support payments based on the fact that Erica was violent. And let's just say that did not sit well with Erica. Nah, baby, she went off. He claimed that he could no longer afford the $4,305 monthly payment they agreed on the 2022 divorce settlement. Per the court documents, the arrangement was based off his $61,157,000 monthly income and Erica's monthly earnings of $41,289. Listen, once Mena caught wind of what Safaree was saying about her after her fans lit up her Instagram comments dragging her, she hit back with a rant, blasting Safaree and making some serious accusations of her own.
While he, dances and, takes care another man's children by lacing them with Rolexes.
She hit back with several posts accusing Safaree of taking those clips and images out of context. She said, "Explain why I was so enraged because how you violated my body." She claimed the videos of Safaree's footage were from 2023, but she had recordings taken in 2024 that paint a different picture. "Do you really want me to post you begging for me back just as post me on your knees in front of our kids?" she asked. Erica also accused Safaree of putting her health at risk in another post and rubbished his fake restraining order attempt. The rant continued in her Instagram stories. Erica posted screenshots that she allegedly got from surveillance footage captured in May of Safaree begging her to take him back. She also got up on live and claimed that she regretted allowing Safaree to seduce her into a relationship.
This individual was actually doing this whole PR rant, claiming he wanted to be married and have kids. So I was seeing the outside actions.
She explained that she knew she should have gotten out of that situation the moment she got in, but because he had pulled out all the stops, she just couldn't leave. She went on to explain that she didn't even mean to have children with him.
No, and I was like, you know what? Anywho, the chance was given and life took its course. Before you knew it, he was popping the question.
So they both basically can't stand each other and don't miss the opportunity to drag each other online, but the fans have had a lot to say about this one. This fan said, "The thing is, Safaree was the one who chased and pursued Erica. Then he married her but got put off after she had their daughter because marriage wasn't fun anymore. A man who gets divorced because he's not having fun is hopeless."
Y'all, it's clear something deeper happened to Wendy Williams starting from when she started asking questions about her money. And recently, Wendy attracted a widespread attention after fans caught a glimpse of her at her son's graduation, and the tea-making rounds on the internet is that someone is trying to keep Wendy permanently from the outside world, and her son, Kevin Hunter Jr., isn't letting that plan sail, as he's letting the whole world know exactly who's after his mom. Y'all, this tea is hot and is gonna leave you thirsty for more, so let's get right into it. Now, following Kevin Hunter Jr.'s graduation a couple of days ago, a lot of fans couldn't contain their joy and sadness upon seeing Wendy out in public again ever since her legal guardian declared her permanently incapacitated. Because she looked really good for someone we all thought was never going to be able to lift a finger again. Now, after seeing Wendy in such high spirits, fans began asking questions as to her well-being, wondering if there was more than meets the eye and if her sketchy legal guardian, Sabrina Morrissey, was trying to play a fast one on us. And if indeed she was, what reason could she possibly have for doing so? Now, a lot of people have had quite a lot of opinions about Wendy's situation, as some are saying she's currently where she is because of the diddler, and others are saying it's all because of Wells Fargo. But there are those who believe Wendy is only playing to the gallery and nothing more. But here's the scoop. After lots of people saw Wendy a couple of days ago, her son came back to drop a major update about his mother's condition, and he wrote, "While I'm here, quick update on my mom. She's sober and wants to come home. We're fighting to make that happen because isolation is killing her faster than anything else." So it appears Wendy's health has improved and she's no longer battling with alcohol addiction, and that's why she was all bubbly at the after graduation party. But here's where things get a little shady. So even though Kevin claims his mother is now sober, it seems she's being held at some undisclosed facility against her will, and her family doesn't understand why. However, they aren't backing down, as Kevin hinted that the family is currently working towards filing a court petition, probably against her legal guardian, so they can get her out of the facility. And y'all, we're keeping our fingers crossed and hoping this works out. Cause earlier in the year, Wendy's niece shared with the media how this undisclosed facility that Wendy is at won't even let them communicate with her at all, and that's just terrible to imagine. I mean, can you imagine being ill and instead of being surrounded by the love and light of your family members, you are being kept away from them? Now, from the little clips we've been seeing from Kevin's graduation and his after party, fans are just so glad at the possibility of having a healthy Wendy back in the outside world where she would be surrounded by all the love and upliftment she needs. But y'all, I would love to know your thoughts on this whole situation in the comment section. And in the meantime, don't forget to like this video and follow us for more piping celebrity tea like this.